Tru Color grout is a pre-mixed, ready-to-use grout that contains no epoxy, no cement, and no loose or free pigments. This urethane technology rivals the chemical and stain resistance of epoxy grouts. In addition to having excellent chemical and stain resistance, Tru Color grout offers greater flexibility and superior UV resistance. Tru Color is an ideal product for green building projects since it is a water-based, low VOC formulation that contains 8% post-consumer recycled glass content, offers dust-free mixing, and contains Bostik's blockade, antimicrobial protection. Pre-mixed grout means no messy mixing or waiting for the grout to slake. This saves time and eliminates the chance of improper mixing that leads to uneven color. No epoxy means no mixing of harsh chemicals that are difficult to clean up or can react quickly. Just open, stir, and grout. That's it. No sealing required, ever. Tru Color's quartz aggregate is color-coated to ensure perfect color consistency every time, unlike other grouts that contain loose color pigments which can cause staining or be washed away. But best of all, your hands, clothes, and tools will stay clean. Tru Color grout offers the benefits of epoxy grout without the difficulty of use. When you open the vapor-tight lid, you may see some liquid sitting on top of the grout. This is normal and due to shipping and/or storage. Take your margin trowel and do a quick stir, making sure that you stir from the bottom. That's it. You are ready to start grouting. As you see, Tru Color grout is easy to use and requires no sealing. Watch how easily the grout floats into the joints. Notice it doesn't leave any pigment stain on the tile surface and is easy to cut off most of the excess. This revolutionary grout allows you to use the leftover grout by putting it back in the pail and saving it for your next job. Always wipe the pail lip clean prior to resealing to ensure a proper seal is achieved with the vapor lock lid. With a wet sponge, clean the grout in a circular motion or from side to side. Don't press down on the sponge. Light pressure works best, and remember to keep the sponge flat. You can use Tru Color grout on joints as small as 1/16 of an inch or as large as 1/2 inch. It can be used on most tile surfaces, including ceramic, porcelain, slate, glass, travertine, and stone. It is always good to seal porous surfaces prior to grouting. As demonstrated, Tru Color flows easily into the grout joints using a firm rubber epoxy grout float. Sponges and tools last longer as compared to grouting with epoxy grout. Tru Color has very low shrinkage, which means joints remain full and will not lead to cracking. Because Tru Color grout is an air-dried product, don't use too much water during cleanup. Squeeze the sponge nearly dry of water and clean it in a light circular motion. One important rule of thumb is to clean as you go. Don't wait. In doing so, you will never finish a job quicker. The cleaning process is basically the same for all cleaning surfaces. If you decide not to seal a tile or stone surface before grouting, we recommend taking a damp sponge and moistening the surface before you begin. This keeps the porous surface from removing the moisture from the grout, making it harder to float. Tru Color grout will not sag when used on a vertical surface such as a bathroom wall or backsplash. It will not sag even in hot weather or in overhead applications. Urethane-based grouts are the only grouts that provide true flexibility. This makes Tru Color more crack-resistant on subfloors prone to movement. Urethane is naturally UV stable and will not yellow in sunlight. The urethane technology found in Tru Color grout is similar to the urethane clear coat technology used on all cars today. Stain resistance is an important feature of any successful grout product. Tru Color grout, like epoxy grout, provides maximum stain resistance. Tru Color resists all types of stains, including coffee, spaghetti sauce, blueberry juice, oil, dirt, and red wine, just to name a few. The grout is an air-dried product, and within 4 to 5 hours after grouting, the grout surface will start to crust over and feel hard. You can actually rub your finger lightly over the grout surface. Within 24 hours, it is ready for light foot traffic. After 48 hours, the grout will feel fairly firm, and after 72 hours, heavy foot traffic is okay. Complete hardness is achieved in 22 days, and Tru Color will actually get harder than concrete, but will remain flexible, as demonstrated by this fully cured grout channel. Tru Color grout provides all the benefits of an epoxy grout without the mixing or the difficulty of cleanup. So for maximum chemical and stain resistance, incredible flexibility, and unmatched color consistency, Tru Color grout is your only choice. It comes pre-mixed and ready to use, cleans up easier than cement and epoxy, and most of all, virtually eliminates all callbacks. Tru Color grout, the right choice for your next grouting project. For more information on Tru Color, please contact Bostik's Technical Service Department at 1-800-7-BOSTIK or visit us on the web at www.bostik-us.com.